Hello. Right, Temu time. So 3 parcels. This one was done probably, this is the first one. This one would have been done 3 days before the second one. The second one was done probably a week before the third. Now the first 2 have turned up. Third one, still waiting on. Didn't think this one was going to turn up though, to be quite honest, because tracking from literally right at the last minute. So let's be careful when we open it up. There's no Temu wrapping on this, which I find a bit weird, because everything else I've had from them has had Temu written all over. So I don't want to damage anything inside. Sorry, it's really hot again today. I have got a fan on in the background, which is doing absolutely nothing. So let me just turn that off in case it is interfering with the sound. Right, that's probably a little bit quiet. It's a little bit quieter for me as well. So, really hard to open this. Oh. No Temu branding. I like the Temu branding stuff. I know it makes it look a bit rough, but it's no different with this bag. It's got a shitload of sellotape all over it. Right, so we have, first item is, they are tiny. They are bloody tiny. Some inserts for trainers or shoes. I thought I'd buy some of these, see what they're like. Hang on a sec. Yeah, they're not the size that they say they are. They are small, but they seem pretty good. They feel okay. So it's number 1, and number 2. This isn't mine. Ugh, I don't know what that is. I hope that's not what I think that is, because that's very small. This would be a hairpiece. This is for my stepdaughter. I'm not sure she realises that it's that long. So pop that over there. There's not much in here. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was. That's a bit disappointing, Temu, because I'm pretty sure that there was actual sizes on. But this is still work though. This is still work. It doesn't matter how big it is. It's how you use it. Sorry. Right. So it was going to be an unboxing knife, but it's so damn small. It is still work. Let's see how sharp it is. I can sharpen it up anyway. But let's get this stupid keyring thing off. So it's, oh, it will work. It's really dull. I don't think that cut anything. Yeah, it might uncut boxes. It's just sharp enough for that. It's okay. This thing looked about this big on the advert, and I was careful. I did look at the sizing, and it looked about right. You know, that's tiny. Tiny. Right, let's fold him up. Not even a button to click. And the last thing on this package is, I'm going to be pretty disappointed because this is going to be absolutely wrecked. It's going to have no shape. Right, let's get rid of that. Really disappointed with this, because I thought it was actually quite cool. It's almost inside out. It's only a hat, but it's absolutely mullered. It might go back into shape, but I probably doubt it. It's not a bad looking hat. I don't even think you'd be able to iron that back into shape. It is, let's get it to, let's have a look. So it's quite comfortable, apart from the shape. Look what you've done, Temu. You squashed it to pieces. Normally the front has a bit of cardboard in there to keep it all nice and, as this says, perfect. But that is sort of anything but perfect. So let's pop that down there. Let's get this bag, shove that in there, put that over there. Let's put that in there. Probably not going to use that again. These bits will pop down here, and we'll get the next one. So this is number 2. a bit bigger. Oh, where's my new knife? Let's use that. So I can't remember if there's it. I can't really remember what I got in here. So that feels like a box. So no, the knife's not too bad. I suppose if it was any sharper it could damage stuff that's in parcels. Right. Oh, it's quite hard to shut though. It'd be better if it had a locking button. Right. Decoration lamp. Okay. So these are a lot smaller than was shown. A lot smaller. Let's make sure we got the right ones though. So now let's make sure that these actually work, which we can do. Hopefully, if these have got wires in with them. No, they're battery power. I thought they were USB. Oh, they are USB as well. Okay, that's a bit weird. Give me a second. Let me just... why would you do that? I suppose, yeah, okay. You could have batteries in there as well as... But why not just... I just don't know. Right. Bear with me. I've got a power bank down here. And it doesn't take this sort of bloody thing. And I haven't got a converter to what that is. So, what have I got? What have I got nearby that's just a USB? Absolutely nothing. I sort of have over there. Let me see if that works, if it reaches. I did have a bloody extension cable as well. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's not bad. It's got LEDs in there. Obviously, it's meant to mimic... Oh, there's a bit of sharpness there. It's meant to mimic... I can't see that on camera. Isn't that bizarre? But yes, it works. There is an R. So we'll leave that one there. Boxes, 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 boxes. Right, next one. Same sort of thing. And this one's... oh, I don't know what colour this one's meant to be. This is blue. And this should be a B. Yes, it's a B. And we've got the funny battery thing again. Right. Not 100% sure on that. But I could stick batteries in these, couldn't I? I've got loads of rechargeable ones over there that are charged up. But is that a pain to open? No, it's not. Give me a sec. We'll leave that other one like that for the moment. Because I won't have enough batteries. I'm not going to have enough batteries anyway. There's another two of these. Right. Are they this size? No, they're the bloody small one. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, I thought they were AAAs, but they're not. They're AA, so all good. And yes, it works. Not as bright, I must say. Nowhere near as bright as a pink, unless that is just where it's a lot heavier than the pink one, though. A lot heavier. Does look a bit like it's... Yeah. See that? A bit like it dimmed. Right, another pink one. Let's get rid of that box down there. Oh, I love boxes. As bad as Amazon. Probably not as bad, to be quite honest, because they're... Right, so this one's a B as well. So well, this is a pink one, so we're going to put... Is it the same boxes? No. So I'm going to put batteries in this and see if it's still as bright. It could be that they're batteries. Because it's batteries, it's not as bright as running off USB. I didn't check they turn off, did I? They might not even turn off. Oh! I don't know. That one's coming out of there. Not a bad idea, I suppose, if they run off of off batteries. Yeah, it's about the same. Right, you can probably guess what they're for. And another one here. Yes, it is a blue R. Oh, have we got too many R's? No, we haven't. We're good. Right. Now, this one's going to have to be plugged into USB because I got nothing else left. And it's so damn hot. Everyone will know how hot it is today. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculously hot. So, bear with me. Give me a second. Let me get this over here. There we go. I think they are a little bit brighter plugged into yeah, they're not there. They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I like those. Right. Oh, I know what this is. I forgot I ordered this. This is the last thing from this little lot. So, this was the most expensive item out of the lot. Ooh. And I'm glad it's not too big because I'm looking for a small bag. Now this isn't just a normal bag, it's a camera bag. So let me just, it's a bit squashed. So it looks okay, all these little bits here, and it's got a little special thing, I think. No, that's where you carry your tripod. I thought this had a pocket, so then you could actually access your camera. That was another lie, wasn't it, Temu? Because the picture that I saw on your website had a little pocket either one of these sides so you could get direct access to your camera inside. That's a shame, but it doesn't matter. It's not a deal breaker because this is a perfect size for me because I've got mirrorless cameras. Fit in there absolutely fine. Even a small drone would fit in there. You could separate all your lenses. That is okay. I can't remember how much this was though. Wasn't overly expensive, but that is my Temu little lot for the moment. I do have some more coming. I can't remember what I ordered, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, this is all alright. This is all good except for this hat. This hat disappoints me. And the knife, because the knife's very small, but it does work, so can't complain with that. And it's not too big to sort of have lying around. But the hat, I'm going to have to work on the hat because it's all creased here. It's a shame. The rest would come out. I probably could iron it back into shape maybe. We'll see. Time will tell. It's a damn shame because it's pretty cool. Not as cool as it looked on the pictures, like a lot of things. You'll get that. Right, that is everything. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.